Hello students, I am Puneet Kaur from Department of English, GGDSD College, Haryana. Today I am going to explain and discuss with you the poem Prayer of the Woods, which has been prescribed in the syllabus of class 10 plus 2. The poem Prayer of the Woods is a very simple one. It has been written by an anonymous poet, means the name of the poet is unknown. In this poem, the trees are praying to the human beings. The trees say that they are very useful for the human beings. They are useful for them during different seasons, at different times, and in different or various ways. They provide shelter, shade, fruits, and juice to them. So they pray to the human beings not to harm them. So now let's begin the poem. The explanation of the poem, Prayer of the Woods. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter nights, the friendly shade screening you from the summer sun, and my fruits are refreshing draughts, quenching your thirst as you journey on. I am the heat of your hearth. In the poem, I means the tree. In the poem, the speaker is the tree. So the poet has used the word I for the tree. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter nights. Here the tree says that its wood burns the fire in the fireplace of the human beings. When the fire burns, the cold of the winter season keeps off. Or the fireplace or the wood in the fireplace saves the human beings from the cold. The friendly shade screening you from the summer sun. The trees also provide the human beings with the pleasant shade which keeps the heat of the summer season away from them, from the human beings. And my fruits are refreshing draughts, quenching your thirst as you journey on. Here the tree says that as the travelers move on during their travel in the summer season, the juice from the juicy fruits of the trees keeps them refreshed and less exhausted. The juice of the fruits keeps them energetic during their journeys. I am the beam that holds your house, the board of your table, the bed on which you lie, and the timber that built your boat. In this line, the tree says that the timber or the wood of the trees helps the roofs of houses, supports the roofs of the houses. It makes boards for the tables which are used by the human beings. The beds on which we sleep or the beds on which the human beings sleep are also made up from wood. Wood is also used in making the boards. So the wood of trees is useful for us in various ways. The next line, I am the handle of your hoe, the door of your homestead, the wood of your cradle, and the shell of your coffin. In these lines, the trees say that he is the wooden handle of his garden tool that is called hoe. He is the handle of the garden tool that is called hoe, and with which the soil is broken, which is used while working in the garden. So the trees say that I am the handle of your hoe, that the human beings use me while they are working in the fields. The door of your homestead. The tree says that he provides, that he also serves the purpose of the door of his house. Homestead means house, that it serves the purpose of the doorstep of their house. The wood of your cradle. In this line, the tree says that he provides wood for the cradle for the newborn baby. And the shell of your coffin. The tree says that he also serves as the coffin for the dead one. I am the bread of kindness and the flower of beauty. Ye who pass by, listen to my prayer, harm me not. In this line, the tree requests to the human beings that I am the bread of kindness and the flower of beauty. He says that the trees teach the lesson of kindness and beauty to all, or to all human beings. Ye who pass by, listen to my prayer. Ye here means you. He requests to the human beings that ye who pass by, he requests to the human beings not to harm the trees and to listen to their prayer. Harm me not means not to harm the trees. Here in this line, the trees are requesting to the human beings that they should not harm them. Them means to the trees. So the central idea of the poem is that trees are very useful for all of us, for the human beings, for animals. So we should not harm them. We should take proper care of them because they provide us shade, fruits, juice, shelter, etc. Thank you.